Students, today we will do exercise of chapter number 2, page number 23. First one is fill in the blanks. Dash and dash are the two types of booting. Warm boot, cold boot. How many types of booting? Two types of booting, warm boot, cold boot. Second one, an operating system is a dash software, system software. An operating system is a system software. Third one, when the system is switched on, then the operating system load onto the RAM. When we switch on the computer, what happened? Operating system load on to the RAM. Fourth one, dash operating system is selected when one user need to do one thing at a time. If user is doing one thing, then what type of operating system we use? Single user operating system. Again, first one is warm boot and cold boot are the two types of booting. An operating system is a system software. When the computer is switched on, operating system loads on the RAM. A single user operating system is selected when the user need to do one task at one time. An operating system works as a system manager. Part B is match the column. First one is CUI, character user interface. In character user interface, part D, commands are written to perform an action. In character user interface, commands are written. D, MBR, stored information. C, standby, computer is in low power state. E, restart, computer shut down and start immediately. A, process management, computer is managed efficiently. B, you can take the screenshot if you want. Part C is give the difference between. First one is warm boot and cold boot. On page number 22 in glossary, it is written cold boot. It is the process of pressing on the power switch when the computer is shut down. Cold boot. It is the process of pressing on the power switch when the computer is shut down. Warm boot. It is the process of pressing the restart button while the computer is already on. Warm boot. It is the process of pressing the restart button while the computer is already on. CUI and GUI, character user interface and graphical user interface. CUI stands for character user interface. GUI stands for graphical user interface. On page number 22 in glossary it is given difference between CUI and GUI. Third one is single user operating system and multi-user operating system. Single user operating system, it is a system where only one user can effectively work on a computer at a time. Single user operating system, it is a system where only one user can effectively work on the computer at a time. Multi-user operating system. It supports multiple users at the same time or at different times. It supports multiple users at the same time or at different times. Multi-user operating system. Last one is file management and memory management. Memory management. Operating system allocates certain memory area to itself with the help of booting process and set aside the remaining area for various application program. The operating system allocates certain memory area to itself with the help of booting process and set aside the remaining area for various application program. File management. An operating system manages the reading and writing of the file system. It also operates the users and application file access authorization